Welcome back to Project Flip. This time we're going to be experimenting getting this trim back to black. As you can see, obviously it started to fade on the arches, but it's really faded across the bumper. So I've got a couple of methods I've been told to try. So I'm going to split the bumper up and we're going to have a go with WD-40, Vaseline and peanut butter, and we're going to see which brings the trim back to black the best. Some of you out there are going to say, well, why not just use back to black? Well, back to black doesn't last very long unless you could probably get maybe a really expensive one, I don't know. So these are inexpensive ways of trying. You know, we're giving it a go. We're giving it a go. So I'm going to see what the bumper comes up like once it's all been, well, I'm going to split it, like I said, I'm going to split it up with some tape and we'll see how we get on. Oh, you can also see our new sticker there, Bluudys Garage. We have multiple colours available at our website. Don't forget to check it out at bluudysgarage.com. Right, so let's split this bumper up and have a look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it up, split the bumper up. So we'll have a peanut butter bit, we'll have a Vaseline bit, and then we'll have a WD-40. Cool, so I'll show you that now. So here we have our section, which is peanut butter, or going to be, it's smooth peanut butter, I might add. Apparently this is reduced fat, I don't know if that's good or bad. But I'm going to use peanut butter for that one, and a blue rag. Got Vaseline, or a form of petroleum jelly, and an orange rag, which will be on this one. You can see the condition of it, really bad. And then last but not least we have WD-40, which we're going to put on that section just there. And we have the green rag and the WD-40. So let's start with probably the least messiest, which will be the WD-40, and we'll work our way along to the peanut butter. So let's grab our green rag and our WD. You could spray it on there if you wanted. I'm just trying to keep it off of the other surfaces. So WD is an oil, which is what I normally use to clean up engine bays and stuff like that. So it's going to make it look wet, as you can see. But is it going to bring the oils back out of the actual plastic? I don't really know. So I'm going to dry off the excess. So it does look darker than the other one, than what it did to start with. Excuse the spray marks, you know. But is it going to be the best in this test? Who knows? Let's move on to Vaseline. So there's the WD at the moment. You can still see it's quite grey. Already it's like, as it's drying, it's starting to fade. So let's move on to the Vaseline look and see how we get on with that one. So we have our little pot. Need our orange rag, which we'll be using for Vaseline. You can see, I'm just going to get some Vaseline. Get a good helpful amount. And we're going to rub it in. A bit more. Get it up there. Maybe some of you guys know something that's going to work better. Who knows? But this is almost like a Mythbusters episode. Finding what works best. So we've coated all the surfaces, and to be honest, it looks better than the WD, that's for sure. So I'm just making sure I get into every little dimple, because this is a dimpled plastic. I'm going to buff it, take off any extra, and there we are. You might want another coat, but I'm only doing one coat of everything for now. So we're starting with our WD there, obviously before with the spray mark of the WD, into WD, into Vaseline, which is significantly better. I'll give everything a second coat afterwards, you know, so then it gives it a chance to dry and we'll put some more onto it. So now we're going to move on to the peanut butter. So don't know how well this one's going to work, but supposedly it works very well. I imagine it's going to be a bit messy, but don't really know what I'm supposed to do. Do I wipe it on? Do I wipe it on the buffet? I don't know. No, we're going to have a go. We're going to experiment with this. How long is it supposed to stay on? I don't know. So we shall see. Might have to leave it on for a little bit. Don't know. But the Vaseline's certainly the winner at the moment. So let's open our peanut butter. Oh, I don't like the smell of peanut butter. Some of you out there probably love it, but not for me. Not for me. So I'm going to grab some peanut butter. Oh, it's very oily. I'm hoping the peanut butter is going to be a good one. Who knows? It's definitely adding something into the plastic, because I can see that it is. There's a lot of dust. Making sure I get it into all the dimples. I suppose if you really like your peanut butter, you could even have a snack, you know, and just, you know, blah, blah, blah. I do not like peanut butter. Again, don't know if I'm supposed to be leaving it to soak or what. I'll add some more on everywhere. Give it, you know, a good amount of peanut butter. Don't know if like the bittiness inside it's also helping to get into the plastic. Don't really know. But I should leave that bit for a bit and then buff it off. So I put a second coat of peanut butter on. I'm going to go a second coat of Vaseline and a second coat of WD, just so they're all even. Like so. That's the second coat of Vaseline. Right, so then I'll just buff everything off and we'll look how it looks at the end. So there we are. I think on camera it's quite clear of which one's darker. If I peel the tape up a bit, I don't think you can see it. There's a better definitive line of what it was and what it is now. So, there's our WD, there's our petroleum jelly, and there's our peanut butter. I'm very surprised with the peanut butter and the petroleum jelly. Now, I know which one I think out of those three looks darker, but I need you guys to leave a comment below of which one you think is darker, and that's the one that'll do all the plastic trim on the car. Need a screw in there, or a bolt, it's missing a bolt. Yeah, and I will do that. So that's where we are at the moment. It definitely looks different. So then guys, oh it's sunny, the choice is in your hands. I need you to leave hashtag peanut, hashtag WD, or hashtag jelly. Vaseline's a long one, but you know. Hashtag WD, hashtag jelly, hashtag peanut, or butter, either or. Or just write in the comments what you think. Whatever you guys choose, whatever's the most commented is what I will do, and I'll self-film the results, and I'll do the rest. Do the rest of the plastics on the car. The choice is with you guys. You know? The choice is with you what we do for this project and make all the plastics look cleaner. So your choice: peanut, Vaseline, or WD. It's your choice. Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you leave a comment below and let me know which method you think I should be using, or if you have another, you know, if you know of something else that might be even better, let me know and I could possibly try that out. While I've got you all here watching this video, I'll let you know that I've got some brand new Bluudys Garage stickers, as in absolutely brand new. They are in the shop. We have red, blue, white, copper and gold. So pick a colour that matches, you know, pick a colour that you want. We will get some of the colours in stock later down the line. They are £2 delivered for 2, and you can grab them at bluudysgarage.com. I believe I've shown you earlier on in the video when it's stuck on the side of the wing cap of the Supra. So that's what they are, that's what they look like. So grab one while you can. Thank you very much guys for watching, and once you've chosen, I'll give you till, I don't know, probably like Sunday. Once you've left enough comments below, I'll choose what I'm doing with it, and I'll do the next video on the Corsa. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video soon. Ta-ta!